Hey guys, welcome back to this channel, where we share resources to explore tech. Today, I have some incredible news for you. You won't believe what OpenAI just announced at its first developer event, the OpenAI DevDay. This is the event that we've all been waiting for, and it was absolutely amazing. OpenAI is the company that created ChatGPT, the most advanced and friendly chatbot platform in the world, powered by large language models. ChatGPT is the chatbot that I use on my channel, and you guys love it. Well, guess what? OpenAI just unveiled a new version of ChatGPT, and it's even better than before. The new ChatGPT has improved natural language understanding and generation, as well as more personality and customization options for developers and users. You can now create your own chatbot avatar, choose your preferred voice, and give feedback to your chatbot. You can also access the ChatGPT Store, a new marketplace where you can buy and sell chatbot applications, skills, and content. The store has categories such as entertainment, education, productivity, health, and social, and you can rate and review chatbot products. There are so many cool chatbot apps and skills that you can try, like a trivia game, a travel planner, a personal assistant, a music composer, and a storyteller. I can't wait to test them out and show them to you guys. But that's not all. OpenAI also introduced the ChatGPT Creativity Program, a new initiative that aims to foster innovation and diversity in chatbot development. The program offers grants, mentorship, and resources to developers who want to create novel and impactful chatbot experiences for various domains and audiences.
Revenue sharing is important to us. We're going to pay people who build the most useful and the most used GPTs a portion of our revenue. We're excited to foster a vibrant ecosystem with the GPT Store. Just from what we've been building ourselves over the weekend, we're confident there's going to be a lot of great stuff. We're excited to share more information soon.
This is a great opportunity for anyone who wants to get into chatbot development and make a difference in the world. I'm definitely going to apply for this program, and I encourage you to do the same. The OpenAI DevDay also featured breakout sessions and a keynote by OpenAI CEO Sam Altman, who shared the vision and mission of OpenAI and its chatbot platform. He talked about how OpenAI wants to create the most powerful and friendly AI in the world, and how ChatGPT is a step towards that goal. He also hinted at some future plans and challenges for OpenAI and ChatGPT, and I'm super excited to see what they have in store for us. If you want to learn more about the OpenAI DevDay, you can check out the article I shared in the chat, or you can visit the official website or read some other news sources. Trust me, you don't want to miss this event, because it's the most awesome thing that ever happened in the chatbot world. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to smash that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome AI and chatbot content. See you next time, and stay tuned for more ChatGPT updates.
We do all of this because we believe that AI is going to be a technological and societal revolution. It will change the world in many ways, and we're happy to get to work on something that will empower all of you to build so much for all of us. We talked about earlier how if you give people better tools, they can change the world. We believe that AI will be about individual empowerment and agency at a scale that we've never seen before, and that will elevate humanity to a scale that we've never seen before either. We'll be able to do more, to create more, and to have more. As intelligence gets integrated everywhere, we will all have superpowers on demand. We're excited to see what you all will do with this technology and to discover the new future that we're all going to architect together.